About to teach a man of God how to make some onions and potatoes, because he keep trying to act like he don't know how to do it. So listen, instead of fussing at him, compromise part, just show him what to do. Come on. Listen, first we had to start off, I told him,
No.
we always messed it up with putting too much oil in the pan. People always say, why they ain't coming out right? A little bit of oil. See that? Now what you do next? First of all, you didn't wash your hands when you came on up in this kitchen. Wash your little hands, buddy.
We got other things to do.
I'm
I'm gonna pop in. I'm gonna pop.
All right, y'all, we back. He went and washed his hands. Listen, don't look at me. Look, I'm doing my hair this week. We got a long week. My baby about to give birth in a couple of weeks. So anyway, back to the food. So we cooking onions and potatoes today. So we just letting this heat up for a second. And then he gonna come on back in here with his hands washed. And we gonna proceed. Because listen, cleanliness is next to godliness. Come on, y'all. Come on, somebody. Anyway, come on. Let me show you what to do. See how he moving slow? He don't want to come back in. So what we doing? Listen, y'all. In marriage, after all these years, you got to learn to compromise. Listen, I ain't always going to be the cook. And some of y'all out there don't always want to be the cook, right? So listen, we going to let this, it's heating up. No, don't cut the fan. We don't need no fan. So you can tell the inexperience, because what we need a fan for? So he done went to the little market and got him some fresh chickens to cook. So he can cook that, right? Because see, I don't eat meat, so I don't eat the chicken. But this onion and potatoes, I need this to be right. So listen, what we doing next? Before you touch the chicken. Come on.
I'm looking.
No, listen.
I ain't staring, I'm just looking.
You know what? I see, this I don't have time. But again, y'all.
I'm looking.
Compromise in marriage. Tell them something about compromise. How you have to.
There is no peace without compromise.
They can't see your face.
There is no peace without compromise.
So listen, we gonna put these in here. See, we comical, y'all, if y'all didn't know. The man and woman of God, the apostle and the prophet, we comical.
I told this fool,
You done called the man a
to give me flesh.
See, he mad about his chicken. See that? He don't want to listen to me. The man that compromised him about the chicken.
I told him.
For real, we get into this onion potato. So look, we're going to go ahead and put this
I
in.
asked for all flex.
We ain't talking about chicken. Nobody cares about the chicken. I won't. Listen, you going to put these on in the look. Put these on in the pan. I don't need no, they can't hear me with this fan on. I don't need the fan. I've been cooking too long. I got 2 kids. We got 28 and 25. I done been cooking, look at all my life. We just putting these on in the pan. He's supposed to be putting them in the pan. You see what he over there doing, y'all? Well, for real though. Women, we do get tired a lot of times of doing, if you like me, if you do cooking most of the time, but he do other things very well, like cleaning. Yeah. I let him handle that. He is the bomb.com and that, but so again, this is your real tip for Tuesday. Learn how to compromise. All right, I love y'all. And come on, back to the camera. And that was our real tip for Tuesday. Learn how to compromise. Do you got a scripture for that? Come on, man of God. See that? See, this is what's happening when you're hungry. When you're hungry. Come on, man. Get that word out you. Get that word out you. Listen. We waiting. They waiting on a scripture.
They waiting on a scripture?
Yes. What's the scripture? Real tip. This is a biblical deal here.
I don't know.
Listen, just learn how to compromise. Listen, how can 2 walk together? We can use that again unless they be agreed. Amos 3:3 again, y'all. I love y'all. Until next Tuesday. He's just trying to see this.
Listen, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I got distracted because the man gave me drums.